video we are going to see about series and some of the series and the basic sums. Okay, first one, series. The sum of the terms of a sequence is called a series. If you add the terms of the sequence, then it is called as series. Let A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on, An and so on be the sequence of real numbers. Then the real number, that is we are going to sum this. That is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus and so on, An is defined as the series of real numbers. So if you add the terms of a sequence, you will get a real number, that is called a series of real numbers. Okay, so if the series has finite number means the number of terms should be countable. Okay, so if a series has countable number of terms, then it is called finite series. Like infinite series now it is not countable. So uncountable number of terms are there now, it is called infinite series. In this chapter we are going to see only the finite number of series. Okay, so sum to n terms of an AP. So let A plus D, A plus 2D and so on be an AP. So Sn is sum of the n terms, that is A plus D plus A plus 2D plus and so on. Nth term na A plus n minus 1 into D. If you add these terms, you will get Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for sum of n terms in AP. So if a series is in AP, then Sn, sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Next, if the first term A and the last term, that is nth term they given. So how to find Sn? Okay, here they given only the A and D value and then number of terms. If we know the last term, then you can use this formula, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. That is sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into A plus L. When we have to use this formula, if you know the last term. Okay, so number of terms in a series. So if you doesn't know, they given one series, who doesn't know the number of terms in the series now, they will give it the last term in this. Okay, so n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. Here L is last term, A means first term, D is the common difference. Okay, so number of terms n equal to L minus A by D plus 1. This is the formula. Next, move on to the example 2.31. Find the sum of first 15 terms of an AP, 8, 7, 1 by 4, 6, 1 by 2, 5, 3 by 4, and so on. Okay, so they given the series sequence is in AP. So they ask sum of first 15 terms, this word. Sum of means you have to find Sn. So they given the series is in AP. So Sn. Formula no, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here find a equal to first term 8, d, how to find d? Common difference t2 minus t1. What is t2? Second term 7 1 by 4 minus first term 8. So 7 1 by 4, it is a mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. 7 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 1, 29 by 4 minus 8. Here you have 8 by 1. Multiply and divide with 4, you will get 29 minus 8 4s are 32, divide by 4. So 29 minus 32 will get minus 3, divide by 4. So the value as minus 3 divide by 4. Next they ask sum of first n terms of an AP. Formula, write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. They ask how many terms? 15 terms. So S15 equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a value is 8 plus n is 15, 15 minus 1, d is minus 3 by 4. So write 15 by 2, 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 14, right, minus 3 by 4 as it is. Okay, now we can cancel here. 2 table, 2 2s are 2 7s are. Write 15 by 2, 16 plus into minus minus, 7 3s are 21, divide by 2. Now here take the LCM. So 16 2s are 32 minus 21 whole divide by 2. Write 15 by 2 as it is. So 32 minus 21 will get 11. divide by 2 here. So 15 11s are, we'll get 165. 2 2s are 4. So we'll get S15. Sum of first 15 terms equal to 165 divided by 4. Okay, next move on to the next example. 2.32. Find the sum of 0.40 plus 0.43 plus 0.46 plus and so on plus 1. So this is the last term. We represent as L. Okay, they given the last term here. So write the series 0.40 plus 0.43 plus 0.46 plus and so on plus 1. So here see this, that definitely the series forms an AP. See, A is 0.40, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 0.43 minus 0.40. So D equal to, if you subtract that, you will get 0.03. They given the last term, that is L equal to 1. So number of terms we doesn't know. How many terms are there we doesn't know. For that we have to find number of terms first. So number of terms n. Formula is L minus A by D plus 1. So L means 1 minus 0.40 divided by 0.03 plus 1. Subtract these two, 1 0.40 so we'll get 6. So 0.60 na 0.6 divided by 0.03 plus 1. In here multiply and divide with 100, then only the point will be more. Here in numerator we get 60, in denominator we get 3. So 60 by 3 plus 1. Cancel this 3 1s are 3 20s are. So 20 plus 1 you will get 21. N equal to 21. So number of terms in the given series is 21. So what they ask to find? Sum of the terms they ask, sum of the first n terms of an AP. Last term they given, so you can use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Otherwise you can use this also, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You will get the same answer only. So if you know the last term, it will be easy to find like this. So write Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. N we find 21 divided by 2. A is 0.40 plus last term is 1. So if you add these two, you will get 1.4. Cancel this. 2 1s are 2, 0.7s are. So multiply 21 into 0.7, you will get 14.7. So S21, that is sum of 21 terms of the given series is 14.7. So did you understand this? Move on to next example 2.34. The 13th term of an AP is 3 and the sum of the first 13 terms is 234. Find the common difference and sum of first 21 terms. So they given 13th term of an AP. 13th term means T13. Okay. Next, the sum of first 13 terms. Sum of 13 term means it is S13. Okay, so see the difference between these two. They given 13th term now T13. Sum of first 13 terms now, that is S13. So they given 234. Find the common difference. Common difference means you are going to find D value and sum of first 21 terms now S21 we are going to find. Okay, understand this? So write the given 13th term equal to 3, that is T13 equal to 3. So I know the Tn formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So you will get T13 na A plus 12D equal to 3. Take it as equation number 1. So sum of first 13 terms equal to 234. That is S13 equal to 234. So you know Sn formula. What is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So applying this formula, you will get 13 by 2 into 2a plus 13 minus 1 into d equal to 234. So send this 13 by 2 that side, it will become 2 by 13. Cancel here. 13 1s are 13, 18 sir. So 2a plus 12d equal to 18 2s are, you get. So here 2, take it in these two terms. Take it as 2 common. Then you will get 2 into a plus 6d This 2 will get cancelled. A plus 60 equal to 18. Take it as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we are going to eliminate A here. So for that we have to do the subtraction. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So change the sign here. So plus A minus A will get cancelled. 12D minus 6D will get 60. 3 minus 18 will get minus 15. So D equal to minus 15 divided by 6. So D value cancel this. 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. We will get D value as minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now substitute D value in equation number 1. We will get the A value. So substituting D equal to minus 5 by 2 in 1. So what is the first equation? A plus 12D equal to 3. A plus 12D equal to 3. Substitute the D value here. We will get A plus 12 into minus 5 by 2 equal to 3. 2 1s are 2 6 are. Plus into minus 6 5s are 30. So we will get A minus 30 equal to 3. Send this minus 30. You will get A equal to 3 plus 30. 3 plus 30 is nothing but 30. So we find A value 33 and D value minus 5 by 2. In first step they ask common difference. So therefore common difference equal to minus 5 by 2. And then they ask S21. So Sn we know the formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S21 equal to 21 by 2 into a value is 33 plus 21 minus 1 into d minus 5 by 2. Now we are going to simplify this. 21 by 2, 2 33s are 66 minus 21 minus 1 20 into 5 by 2. 2 1s are 2 10s are. So I will get 66 minus 50, that is 16. Here cancel this. 2 1s are 2 8s are. 21 into 8 you will get 168. That is sum of first 21 terms in the given series is 168. Next move on to example 2.33. How many terms of the series 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus and so on must be taken so that the sum is 190. They given that is Sn equal to 190. How many terms should be added? They ask. That is we are going to find the n value. This n value we are going to find. So write 1 plus 5 plus 9 plus and so on. Definitely the given sequence series form and AP. Why? Because what is the difference between these two? T2 minus T1 will get 4. T3 minus T2 also will get 4. So therefore the given series form and AP. So here A equal to 1, D equal to T2 minus T1, that is 5 minus 1 will get 4. So they given Sn equal to 190. Write the Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 190. N by 2, 2, a value 1, n minus 1 into d value 4 equal to 190. So n by 2 into 2 1s are 2 plus multiply this 4n minus 4 equal to 190. So 2 minus 4 will get minus 2, will get n by 2 into 4n minus 2 equal to 190. In these two terms you can take 2 as common. So if you take 2 now you get 2 into 2n minus 1. These two will get cancelled. So you get n into 2n minus 1 equal to 190. Now multiply this. 2n square minus n. Send this 190 to the LHS side, you will get minus 190 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Take sum and product. So sum is minus 1 and the product is minus 190 into 2. So you have to multiply the coefficient of n square and the constant term. So you get minus 380. If you do the prime factorization, you will get the power as minus 20 plus 90. So right now 2n square minus 20n plus 19n minus 190 equal to 0. In this both terms take it as 2n as common, we will get n minus 10. In this 19 as common, we will get n minus 10 equal to 0. Therefore n minus 10 into 2n plus 19 equal to 0. So n minus 10 equal to 0, we will get n value as 10 here. 2n plus 19 equal to 0, we will get n equal to minus 19 by 2. Here n is number of terms. So number of terms cannot be in negative. You can't say minus 4 terms, minus 10 terms like that, you know. So number of terms cannot be in negative. So definitely n value will be 10. Therefore number of terms equal to 10. So that's all.